What's up, y'all? It's your girl Layla. If you didn't already know, I'm back here again with another video. In today's video, I will be going to the bank. It would be like a productive day in my life. Hold on. Oh. It'll be a productive day in my life, and yeah. So I'm going to the bank, and I don't know what else I'm doing, but yeah. But yeah, guys. So I'm gonna just head to the bank and whatever else my mom gotta do. And then we'll get into the actual being productive part.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
I don't know, I don't see it, but I'm trying to get my Secret Santa gift because we couldn't do it on Christmas, and I can't find what he asked for. Well, what my person asked for. So, he about to get some water and some chips, keep it in.
Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a minute, maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back home. I came from the bank in Target, and now I'm about to put the groceries away. I am gonna put this oven in the oven first. I'm going to put this pizza in the oven first. So yeah. Hey y'all, alright, so I'm back home. I went to the bank, which is why I went to ShopRite, because there's a little bank thing in there. And I'm about to fold my clothes, so I'm gonna set y'all up while I fold my clothes, and I'm watching Bauer. So yeah.
Sit down, stand up, pass out, wake up, fade it, fade it.
Now I done grew up around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, backstroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels, some people want to kill their sorrow. Some people want to sit in with the
Oh, yo, I'm about to wash my hair, so yeah. Alright, yo, I washed and blow dry my hair, but now I'm about to style it. So I don't like doing my hair on camera, so I'm gonna do it and then I'm gonna come back. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to hear me, so hold on. Hey y'all, I finished my hair, so I just did a bun and curled the sides or whatever. I basically just needed to wash my hair because it was too much buildup, but I wasn't really changing the hairstyle. But I look better now. My hair look clean. My bun is bigger. It was really kind of like a puff, but whatever. It's bigger. So I'm about to make some TikToks. And yeah, I'm really trying to get my Lil Durk tickets because Lil Durk coming to Philly and I want to go, you know? So I need to get my tickets and I need to buy my outfit like now because it's about to be January. The concert is in February. It's at the end of February, but everybody about to buy the tickets. So it's like I need to get my tickets now. You feel me? So I'm trying to get my tickets. I'm trying to situate it because I'm not going by myself. I'm going with my friend and my cousin and maybe my other friend, but I don't know. For sure, I know I'm going with one of my friends. So, yeah. But I'm going to get back to y'all when I'm doing something productive again. This is really... I don't know what else productive I could do. Like, it's 6:53. So, this will either be a extended productive day video type thing or it's going to be a short video. But, yeah.